viewers, and welcome to another episode of Pistol Iron Workshop. Now, as the observant of you might realise, it's winter, which means it's Baltic out. So we thought we'd give the shop a bit of an upgrade and get ourselves a diesel heater. This is what's here in this lovely cardboard box. And we thought we'd open it for you, our fans and viewers.
Yes.
Now, we thought we'd give a bit of a different spin on things on the channel, give some consumer advice. Now, we've done a couple of reviews before in the past, but this is something that's, well, it's a tool really, isn't it?
Tool?
Yeah.
It's a fucking heater.
Oh yeah, I know, but it's for the shop. It's
You're
not
going to fucking undo a 10 mil with it, are you?
It's, well, you're not going to put it on either, are you?
Well, I think it looked pretty good on the back.
So, now this came this morning, so we're really excited. So, could you do the honours and cut into it?
Yes, okay.
Yes. Mind your fingers. Please get an adult to help you, John.
It's not opening, man.
You've got a sharp blade in it.
Yeah?
Got a sharp blade in it. Now it's quite heavy.
You made quite fucking hard to fucker open. There you go. I'm in. Got some fun.
What? Cool. What's that?
Shit. What do you think it is?
You got a nice jingly bag of fixings. One of them was those. Cool. I think you need that. That looks like a filter. Oh, yay! Look at that.
I hope it's come off.
Oh, you broke them. What?
Fucking idiot. Oh, you don't go back together now.
Oh, we'll have a look at that in a minute. So we've got one of these. We've got a bag of them.
What's your hands it, oh, this one.
And he's broken a bit.
Oh,
Already.
yeah, but I fixed it.
Right. Oh.
Yeah, see?
Hang on. Oh no, that's right. Because this is raised up a bit, what we'll do, we'll drop it down and lift it out, and then you'll be able to see what we've actually bought. Now we're back. Right, look at this. I'll give you a bit of a tilt.
No, for a bit of a tilt.
In mechanics red, because every tool seems to be red. Now, the obvious, we worked out this is the fuel tank, as it's a nice filler there. There's some other bits in the box here.
Got remote control.
It's, ooh, remote control. We've got one of them.
It's got buttons on it. Buttons, can you see them? Why is it going the wrong way?
Because it's this opposite to what you do. Oh, help that. I've got more. I've got another one. Oh, they're cool. Hey, look at that. We've got snorkels again.
Oh, get in. No, not after last time. I told you, I had the pooch.
That was dirty.
Made me very bad.
Oh yeah, this would be helpful, wouldn't it?
What's that?
The manual. So this is what we have purchased. Say air heater. 5 kilowatt.
I'm just pleased to see you.
Yeah. This is. What's the front light?
Nunu. What's the front light? What do you mean? What's the front light?
Hey, cool. Hey, that's.
It's good display in it.
Let's show them fans that. Look at that digital display.
Oh.
Do you know who makes this?
Who makes it? Yeah, Chinese.
Oh, right. So, this is the latest purchase for the Pistol Iron Workshop.
It was from some bloke called Max Pedin or something, off of Amazon.
From Amazon.
Yeah.
We could put a link in the description so you can see what we've bought.
Well, you'd have to show me how to do that.
Yeah. Built by the Chinese. Purchased by the Pistol Iron. And,
For your entertainment.
and hopefully warming our shop. You having fun there?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, you want to go?
So we're going to work out all this goes together now.
Well, it ain't very warm, is it? It's Baltic in here. I don't know if you noticed, but it has been snowing.
Work out where that goes. And see you again. So thanks very much for watching. Hopefully we'll be a bit warmer next time.
Like and subscribe.
And
check out the Facebook. And ring the bell, dingus. You're going to get a shock in a minute. I'm going to have too much static.
goodbye.
Laters.